The Bitcoin price is heading to the upside now, but is it still the right time to enter in a long position, or not? And also, later in video, I will show you a very good opportunity coming in gold in couple of days, so stay tuned. Hello guys, welcome to The Wolf. So let's get straight to the point. Okay, so as you guys know, the Bitcoin price broke the downwards trend line, and also the important Fibonacci zone that I showed you live on my video perfectly. And I entered long on Bitcoin according to my analysis. Also, I recently got a new confirmation that signifies that the price of Bitcoin is gonna go more higher according to MW. And yes guys, right now is the best time to enter in a long trade on Bitcoin. If you missed earlier, well, I am not giving any advice, just a suggestion. And also, I think the price can go to our first target, the partial profit zone, or you can say the recent high of the price at $28,100 level. And my second target will be the white dotted trend line, along with the blue resistance zone, both at approximate $29,150 level. And now let me show you the new confirmation that I just found out. So I am drawing the Fibonacci tool from the recent high at $28,100 approximate to the recent low at $24,850 approximate. So recently the Bitcoin price broke the yellow zone to the upside and now giving a retest, so it is signifying that the price can now head to the upside. And guys, if you want to trade crypto like me, you can do that on Bybit, the best crypto exchange I use. And people, you can get free $30,000 gift for free if you create an account on Bybit, with the link in description. Okay, so now guys, I am on the gold chart that we call ZOSD, or XAUUSD. And here, I found a fantastic opportunity coming in just couple of days. And also, I have made some important levels already on the gold's chart, so if you want you can also note them down, because Ethi are very important levels. Okay, so now, I am drawing a very important Fibonacci tool, so look closely. Noting the 0.5 and 0.618 level zone. And now as you can see, how the price is very close to this zone, and the price has previously also tried to break this zone to the upside, but can't, and recently we saw a big gravestone doji candle. Well, I am not sure right now, but I guess that in couple of days we can see a breakout of this level soon. And also do look at this pattern, this is a falling wedge. Have a look at the yellow trend line, how perfectly the price is respecting these two lines, confirming it to be a strong pattern. And right now, the price is struggling between the falling wedge's yellow trend line and the important purple Fibonacci zone, so if the price breaks these both levels to upside, either with huge volume or with a perfect retest, then I will definitely enter in a long position on gold. And I am not that bearish, or I won't open any short trade on gold in the coming days, because I just don't find a strong setup to go short. But if you guys want to scalp gold short or want to trade, then do it with proper analysis. And guys, if you want to trade gold, silver, or any other commodities, or Forex, US stocks, then you can do all of that in one exchange, and that is Exness. It is the best, trusted, and easy to use broker out there, that I also personally use. You can get free $1,000 bonus, if you create an account with the link in description, and also easy to use and lowest spreads ever.